Good morning, student of class 7. Today I am going to start the new chapter, chapter number 4. Our chapter heading is Introduction to Microsoft Access 2013. So students, you have learned in previous classes what is MS Access, and then our first heading in this chapter is database and database management system. So students, you know very well what is data and what is database. Any information is called data and collection of data is called database. And database management system is a software for manage the database and how to retrieve the database. So students, let's start the first topic of this chapter. Database. Database is a collection of data. Any kind of data is any information. Any information is called data, and that is organized, means any information is organized for easy to access, for seen and easy to retrieval, and how to management of its contents that are used in database. The data can be in any format like text, means data not only text, it is numerical form, image, audio and video. All types of data available in database. This is what is database. And then our next topic is DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management Systems. It is a software package. It is a special software for manage the database that provides software programs to control the creation, how to create a database and how to maintenance its and use of how to use of a database. This is means of DBMS, database management system. Then our next topic is advantage of a database. There are many advantages of database. Just like first advantage of database is reduced data redundancy, means reduce the duplicate data after arrange the particular order. And then next advantage of database is facility sharing of data. So students, this is advantage of database. Second advantage of database is database provide the facility to sharing of data one person to another easy way. Third advantage of database is ensures data security. Students, we set the security for save the database. And then next advantage of database is a reduced update on errors and increased consistency, means when the data is stored at multiple location, data is stored at multiple location, and we change the data one location, so database provide no change database in other location, only change the particular location. It is advantage of database. Then the chapter is database applications. Application where database is used. database application used many sector, just like first sector that are used railway and airline. Railway and airline database used in this sector for schedules and reservation. When we are going to reservation of any kinds of ticket for traveling, so railway and airways store already any kind of information that like schedules and seat availability are stored in railway and airline applications. And then banking application for customer all information that like accounts, transactions and all kinds of transactions, deposits and withdrawal, all kinds of information available in banking application. Then universities and schools, all students and teachers, all professors, all kinds of information available in university and schools that is organized in database. And then telecommunication for keeping track of number of calls made and preparing bills. This is database used in telecommunication. And then shop for displaying prices and preparing bill. Displaying prices, all price of any kinds of food available in this applications. And then preparing bills after buying foods. This is the first part of chapter number 4 of class 7, and in next video we will discuss our next topic is introduction to Microsoft Access 2013. It is types of database management systems. So students, thank you.